And if you frequently use the Katy Trail in the Rocheport area, you might need to change your plans today because of the trail closure. Now, ABC 17's Joshua Blount joins us live this morning from the trail in Rocheport. And Josh, this closure to the public will only be temporary.
Megan, good morning. The Katy Trail will be closed today from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. during some construction along the Missouri River Bridge. The contractor will be pouring the final supports on the east side of the river near the trail. The Department of Transportation says signs alerting people of the closure will be posted at the Katy Trail entrances, as well as on the MoDOT Traveler Information Map and MoDOT Central District social media pages. And Megan, MoDOT has been working on the construction of the bridge for a little over a year now. They expect the bridge to be completed by December 2024. Reporting live from Rocheport, Joshua Blount, ABC 17 News.
Josh, thanks so much for that reporting. And MoDOT says the work will not require any lane closures along I-70.